Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've been shopping on Cult Beauty and in return I received a big bag of goodies, 22 products in all with a value of £295 for free. For free! But I did have to spend £150. So before I get into showing you what's inside this bag, I'll just give you some details and to tell you a little bit about what I bought. This offer started on Cult Beauty a couple of days ago, and initially I saw it and I thought, whoa, that is an amazing bag, a freebie of stuff. But I was thinking, oh, £150, that's a lot of money. I don't particularly need anything. But after going over it in my mind over and over, my impulsive nature got the better of me. And yeah, I bought some things. Now, it doesn't help that they have Klarna on there, which means that you can buy now, pay later, which is a nightmare for me because if I want something, I see it, it's like, oh, I have to get it. I've got ADHD, so yeah, I am quite impulsive and I'm not very good with money. I am better the older I am getting. It's just sometimes I just can't resist, and these were one of the moments. Now, the majority of the products that I bought in order to take advantage of this offer, I bought for my daughter. It's her birthday next month. She's 15 years old next month. So I have got some really nice things for her, which I won't be showing on here just in case one of her friends sees it or she watches it. And yeah, anyway, I'll just show you what I bought. Still cost £60. Look, it's Hourglass. It's an Hourglass palette. This is the brand new Ambient Lighting 2. And I think it's brand new. I haven't seen it there before. I've got the volume 1, the first one. When we went into lockdown the first time last year, we had planned on going on holiday. Obviously we couldn't. So then I thought, do you know what? This is again my impulsive brain going, because I don't really need it. But some of the money I decided to treat myself on makeup products that I would never ever purchase. And Hourglass is one of the brands that I really wanted to try. They are expensive. You're talking £50–60 for a bronzer. This little palette here, which I'll show you, is £62 I think. So, you know, it is a pricey, but it was a proper treat, and oh my gosh, I absolutely loved what I bought. But yeah, I do really like it. So when I saw this, oh, I'm gonna have to get it. It's stunning. You can see the mirror there. Look at this. Look at that. So we've got a soft light, we've got a radiant light and a golden bronze light. So I'm not sure, but I think my bronzer is very similar to this one. I'm not too sure, but what I absolutely adore about this palette, or the other one, is that it's lighter. So this is a darker palette. It just gives the most gorgeous sort of glow to my face. It's very fine shimmery particles in there. Very fine. Definitely a splurge makeup brand if you're my age or older, because it does not accentuate your lines. My skin looks a lot more radiant. It looks more youthful. It is stunning makeup. I just had to get it for when my skin is warmer toned with fake tan on, so I can't wait to get my hands on that. But let's give you a bit of a swatch anyway. Not that I was going to show you this really, but I just thought I'll just show you. Oh, there. You're not going to see much. What I like doing with the other palette, I get a big fluffy brush and I just rub it like that, and then I go over just the high points of my face, sometimes all over my face. Even though they are colours, you think, oh no way, I want to put that all over my face, but it is so subtle. I'm not sure about this one. Obviously it's darker, so I'm gonna have to be more careful with this one, but it's just beautiful. I could go on and on about Hourglass, but yeah, I spotted that and I just thought, that's what I'm having for myself. And the rest is for my daughter. So then onto the bag. Now online it says it's the tried and tested goodie bag. It's worth over £295, free when you spend £150. A 22-piece edit of our buy-in team's trusted go-to beauty heroes destined to inspire a long life obsession. On the website it's got listed all the products and a little bit of information. Can you see that? And a little bit of information about each one. So if you're interested in taking a look at this for yourself, I'll pop it down in my description, and a link to the Cult Beauty website. But yeah, I just thought I'd come on, do a quick video to show you what I got and see what's inside this bag. This is so cool. This is a paper bag. You can buy this off the Cult Beauty website. I can't remember what it is. Is it about £8-9 maybe? £5? I can't remember now. It's made of paper, really strong paper. I don't know what would happen if if it got wet, but it's just like cardboard. But I thought all the products would come in this, see? Look at that. I love the idea of that. I thought that was brilliant. But no, it came in this bag as well, so this will come in handy actually. Maybe put my hair extensions in if I'm going away for the weekend or something. All right then, so I'm gonna get all the products out and I'll go through them one by one. So the first item I picked up is an oil-free, reef-safe Dr. Dennis Gross all physical lightweight wrinkle defense broad spectrum sunscreen SPF 30, and there's 7 mils here. It's only a couple of weeks ago, or was it last week? Maybe 2 weeks ago, where I bought the Skin Edit. The Cult Beauty box full of skincare, and I loved it, and it contains a product by this brand and I can't wait to try that as well. Gutted really that this offer wasn't available when I bought that box, because that would have had £40 off the 150. Oh, doesn't matter, it's here now anyway. We got some Sol de Janeiro, and this is a Rio Sunset Glow Oil. We got 30 mils. Oh, I've only tried their butters, like their Bum Cream body butters. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. That is beautiful, isn't it? It's obviously full size. Feels absolutely gorgeous, like a dry oil. Ooh! Oh my god, the smell. It has a very tropical scented perfume. Oh, that is so lovely. That is really nice, and it blends in beautifully, and it's not as shimmery as I expected it to be. It's stunning. That is stunning actually. That is the type of product that I would put in my foundation, and if you know me, I don't like anything full on sparkly on my face, but that is stunning. I am so chuffed with that. Really chuffed. Next we got a little Moringa cleansing balm by Emma Hardy. This is a gorgeous cleansing balm. I've tried it a few times. Yeah, it's lovely, really nice, it has a lovely scent as well. Next we've got something by Honest Beauty, and this is a matte primer, and there's 30 mils here. I don't think I've ever tried anything by this brand before. So it looks like there. Just want to feel it, although it's just gone on top of the, the Sol de Janeiro product. It feels nice, it does feel nice, a nice bit of tackiness there. Got a primer. Next we've got a product by Elemis, one of my favourite brands. This is a skin nourishing milk bath, and this is body soothing, and we got 60 mils here. Next we've got a product by Ren, and this is Clean Skincare Ready Steady Go Daily AHA Tonic, and we got 100 mils here. Now I've actually got a few of these, so I'll pass that on to a friend. Next we got full size Pillow Talk Lip Luster from Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm wondering if I've already got this one. Charlotte Tilbury had an offer on their website before Christmas maybe. I think it was, you just pay like £15 for a mystery gift, and we got one of these. No, this is not. This is something different, which is good. I love the Pillow Talk shade. So, ooh. Oh, I love this. I love it. It's like a liquid version of a Pillow Talk. Oh, I'm really chuffed with that. Yeah, really chuffed with that. Then we've got a little sample here by IT Cosmetics, and this is Hello Results, a wrinkle reducing daily retinol serum in cream. And we've got 5 mils here. So a little teeny tiny one. Next we've got a product by Galanere. I don't know. This is a hydrating face cream for sensitive skins with prebiotics, probiotics and postbiotics, and 30 mils there. It's something new again for me, just a tiny bit, because no doubt there'll be other things to try on my hand. Oh yeah, that does feel really nice. Yeah, it's lovely. I'm not sure about the smell though, unless I've touched something. Unless I've touched something before. I did wash my hands before I came up here. I don't know. I don't know. It's got a face cream. Next, we got a product by Glow Recipe, and this is Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, hydrating and pore refining. We got 40 mils here. I love the packaging of Glow Recipe. It's so, so nice. Yeah, it does smell of watermelon. It's got a watermelon toner. Next we've got a product by Esper, and this is a Natural Beauty Inner Calm Bergamot and Jasmine Body Lotion. And we got 30 mils here. Okay, let's try this as well. I love bergamot. It's a citrusy, lemony scent. Oh, it just reminds me of a spa. Esper. So there's that. Got a little lipstick by Huda Beauty. And what have we got here? Dirty 30. I've already got one of these lipsticks, but I don't think I've got this colour. No. Look at that colour. Let's go. Ooh. They're not quite for me. On my little lips. I think that will age me quite a bit. The colour is quite dark for me. I love the packaging. I love the packaging. It is smart. Next we've got something by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Lash Bang. There's a little mini one. Oh, I think I've already got this one. I recognise the packaging. Yeah, I have. It's a nice mascara. I like the wand. So there's that, so I've got a little mini one now. Next I've got a Supergoop, and this is an unseen sunscreen, UVB high protection, SPF 30, water resistant and 15 mils. Now I've already got one of these because it was in the Cult Beauty box that I got recently. So I've got two now. Next I got a product by Goody, and this is a Vino Perfect. This is a Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting, and there's 10 mils there. I love the little bottle. So there's that. I'm not sure if I've tried that before. I've tried a few products from this brand. Next we got Medicate, and we've got a C Tetra, a Lipid Vitamin C Radiant Serum, and there's 8 mils in there. Yeah, I won't open it up as it's vitamin C. I'm going to put it back in its box and hide it in a dark corner. And then I'll try it when I finish my other vitamin C products. It just says a lightweight vitamin C serum that leaves skin visibly bright, refreshed and radiant. Next we've got a product by Oskia London, and this is their Renaissance Mask. Nutriactive Brightening and Resurfacing Mask, and we've got 15 mils there. Okay. This is a really lovely brand as well. Yeah, really nice. Resistance Mask. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, it smells so nice. It looks just like their cleanser. They've got a cleanser in this range as well. Oh, that is so nice. It just says to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off. Next, we got a product by Pi, and this is a Rosehip Bioregenerate Rosehip Seed and Fruit Universal Facial Oil, and there's 10 mils here. Now this oil is gorgeous. I have this by the side of my bed in a little unit behind me. I've got the full size version of this, and it is a really nice it's a really nice oil. I love this little box. It's so cute. Really nice size. You only need a tiny bit. Next we've got a product by Fresh. This is a Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream with time release hydro patches, moisturizes and nourishes. And we've got 7 mils here. Hydro patches. It looks like there. Let's open it up and give it a go. Whoops! I think this is our second face cream, which is good because you think a bag full of like 22 different products, there's bound to be some overlaps, but hasn't been so far, except for face cream. It feels really cooling and refreshing on my thumb. Just there. I know, I was expecting it to have like a rosy scent, but because I don't like rose, but no. Next we've got a product by Goldfaden MD, and this is for problem tired eyes, and this is Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, and we've got 4 mils here. I haven't tried this one before, so that's new to me. And then lastly, we have got a product by Biossance, and this is a squalene and vitamin C rose oil, facial oil to visibly brighten and firm, plant-derived squalene, and there's 12 mils here. So this is the second facial oil. I like the packaging. Really nice. Just a tiny bit there. Woo! Hasn't got a strong scent, I don't think. I think everything is just mixing in with each other. But yeah, it does feel nice on my skin. So there's that. So those are all the items I received for free in the Cult Beauty bag. I had to spend £150 on their website, and in return they sent me a bag which was added to my basket when I went to checkout, so no code needed, etc. But yeah, the products, there's 22 in all and has a value of nearly £300. I think this is one of their best freebies they've had in a long time, and they do amazing ones. They do these quite often, and I always have a look. Besides my impulsivity, the positives are that my daughter's got some really nice birthday presents coming, so I don't have to worry about that as much near to her birthday. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.